Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got another unboxing for you. So this is actually just some miscellaneous school bus stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look what's inside. And yeah. So this is just a lot of a bunch of like random school bus related things that I bought off eBay. I know what's in here, but I will not ruin the surprise for you guys. Oh, if this will cut. Okay, let me put this knife away. Alright, so let's see what we've got in here. It's all wrapped in bubble wrap nice and neatly. Okay, let's see. It's in a bag here. Okay. And there's a note at the bottom. Okay. Whoops. Let's go ahead and see what's... Oh, look at that. Got some IC. Let's see what's in here first. This is a Central State school bus sales keychain. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. What else do we have? We got this IC keychain. So that's awesome. This is kind of like that international keychain I have. So that's awesome. And then, let's see. This is an IC pin, which is older. I do have the newer one that's got the newer IC logo on it, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what's in here. This looks to be full of pens and pencils and stuff. So let's see what we got here. Got some rulers, Tri-State Bus Sales, Padfield Bus and Equipment Co. What does that say? Greece, Illinois. Let's see. Oh, this is cool. We've got a Crown by Carpenter keychain. Nothing on the back, but that's cool. You don't really see those. What's this? What are these? Okay, so we got a magnet here. Stay back, stay safe. Always stay at least 10 feet from all sides of the bus. That's cool. Got these American flag, which I'm guessing is a sticker. Let's see what else we got here. This is a Guardian minibus pin with a little strap here. Yeah, it's a pin. Let's see, what's this? Got a Midbus Transit. Think of bus, think of us. This is like a little pencil. Let's see, what else? Got another, Tri-State Bus Sales ruler. Got a pencil here. It's Thomas. You can see, not sharpened. Got another Thomas pencil. Another Thomas pencil. What else? This is yet another Thomas pencil. Let's see. This is kind of cool. Rider Student Transportation Services, Inc. Got a bluebird here. Let's see. Safety is my responsibility. Looks like a kind of a GMC or Chevy bluebird. There's the phone number. Let's see if there's anything on the back. Nope, nothing on the back. Let's see. Got another pin. This one's Carpenter. That's pretty cool. You don't really see a lot of Carpenter stuff. This is cool. International Alternative with a Wayne Lifestar on it. What does that say? 3900 FC forward control. International. So this is cool. It's a post-it notes. And then we've got this little magnet. So yeah, guys, that's the unboxing. I saw a comment. You guys wanted to see more unboxings, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.